Find some eggs. See,
come on out.
Eggs. Come down the stairs. Look around by the trees and see if you see any eggs.
You see any eggs? Did the Easter Bunny leave your eggs out? Look around. Look in the grass.
Look. Look.
Coulter. Coulter. Look around. Coulter. Look around, okay? Look for some eggs.
What is that?
There's one. Put it in your basket. You see any more? Go look around. Keep looking.
Look over here.
Oh, you found another one?
Found one?
Are there more?
Find you some more. Look over here.
Keep looking.
See? You see any?
No.
Look down here.
Look all around.
Look down there.
Look on the ground.
Look
Turn
by the
around.
steps. Look by the steps. See one? See one by the steps? Is there one there?
All right. Are there more? Come back this way. Come back this way. Are there any more? Look around on the ground. Look around on the ground. That's another one? How many you got in there? You got 4 in there?
Yeah.
All right, then there's 2 more. There's 2 more. Keep looking. Let's go back over here. Keep looking.
Come on, let's look. You seen one? Oh man, you're a smart,
That's 5. That means there's 1 more.
you're a smart guy. Let's look over here. Let's look. Let's look under here. And see one? No.
We need 1 more.
Come on, let's go look over here. Come on, we'll find us some eggs. Yeah.
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 Oh, okay.
Let's find some eggs. Don't see any. Don't see any. Don't see. Oh, you see
An
one?
egg.
Uh-oh.
Is that 6? That's all of them?
That's it? Alrighty.
Good job. Happy Easter. Give me 5. Give me 5. Oops, on your toes. Give me 5. All right. Happy Easter.
Alright, let's go inside and eat our eggs.